Hello guys, I hope everyone is doing great. It's a really long time. There is no update from my end, but as I messaged you guys today in the Telegram, I will connect this week. I will let you know guys the dates, and we will discuss about the strategy which I have been working on recent times. It's that is not gonna be a strategy session, but I wanna share my thoughts with you guys. So by the way, it will be like a brainstorming session. So what I was doing with this with that particular strategy, and how you can use that, and so all those stuff we will discuss. But today is now this recording, I'm making this recording to share you something else which I failed to share with you in the past. Sorry. So you all know, I think you all aware of the 5 minutes scalping strategy. I think we have used 200 period moving average, and we'll be looking for, if candles above the 200 period moving average, we'll be looking for swing points, and we'll be marking all three swing candles, and like this, right? We'll be marking all this thing, and we'll be waiting for the break and retest. We'll be looking for buy or sell according to the swing creation, right? So 200 period moving average, if it is above, we'll be looking for buy, and we'll be looking for swing point break and retest, something like that, right? uh, so in 5 minute chart, the one key thing here is the moving average, because we are not looking for the market structures, we are not looking for the liquidity, we are not looking for the break of structures or imbalances, nothing else, right? Nothing we are looking. Instead, we are just looking for the trend based on the moving average, which is sometimes it's going to give you the whipsaws in the market, or it's going to fail sometimes, right? So that happens, right? Because it's a moving average is very lagging indicator. So today I want to give you the different aspects of the moving average, or like time aspects of the moving average. So we are going to play with the time, uh, the time frames, and by changing the time frames, you can changing little bit the what do you call the you'll get more confluence, or like you will get more information. So for example, if I go to the indicators, if I put moving average, you can use any moving average. I'm using simple moving average. Let's say you're going to the settings, and you're putting 200 period moving average. Okay, and let's change the color, maybe like a black, and click OK. Now I know 15 minutes chart. So I'm getting uh, I have a moving average here, right? This moving average is calculated based on 15 minutes chart, right? In 15 minutes chart, it will look for 200 candles in the back, and it will calculate, it will add the last 200 candles closing price, and it will divide by 200, right? Count of 200 candles closing price, it will add 200 candles closing price, and it will divide by 200, and that will be some number will plotted. And whenever the new candles open, new candle will be added, new candles also average also will be like added, and according to that, this line is plotted. Okay, so technically 200 period moving average is giving you last 200 candles of 15 minutes chart. 15 minutes chart, so you are looking 15 minutes moving average. So this is, even though it's a higher period, but it is giving you the 15 minutes bias only, 15 minutes trend only it is giving. Okay, so based on 15 minutes trend, you are selling or buying, so which is sometimes may give you the false signal, right? So I don't want 15 minutes trend, but I want a higher time frame trend. So for example, I want 4-hour trend in 15-minute chart. I want 4-hour trend in 15-minute chart. 4-hour trend in 15-minute chart. Is it possible to do that? Yes, it is possible to do that. In TradingView, there is a facility, especially with the moving average indicator. So I think many indicators have that facility, but we are talking about the moving average. If you go to the moving average indicator settings, and if you go to the inputs, and there is an option called, here you can see length, close, offset, and a smoothing period, and all those things are there. But there is an option called calculation, right? Under the calculation, you have a time frame. So currently it's set to chart. What do you mean by that? So whatever the chart time frame, according to that, the 200 period moving average will be calculated. Suppose you are choosing 1 minute chart, it will take 200 1 minute candles, last 200 1 minute candles average. Okay, and if you take a 1 hour chart, it will take last 200 1 hour candle, 200 hour candles average. So whenever you change the time frame, the moving average line will be changing. Okay, which is sometimes gives you the confusions. So when you change the time frame, so for example, let me change this time frames. So I'm in a 15-minute chart. It's a downtrend. It look like a downtrend. If I go 1 minute chart, it's again down. It's look like a uptrend here, right? Little bit uptrend. If I go, because moving average change according to the time frame. If you go 15 minutes, maybe 30-minute chart, it's downtrend. If I go daily chart, it's a kind of flat, right? It's a flat here. So there is no trend here, no proper trend. Okay, so according to the time frame, the moving average calculation also changes. So this will give you the confusion sometimes. So that's the reason today I'm going to give you this small hack, which is already there, but I failed to give you guys. I think so. I failed to notice this, or maybe I failed to give you this. So I wanted to give you this right now. Okay, go to the moving average settings. Now here it's a 200 period. Let's make a 500, maybe like a 50. Okay, now in time frame tab, you click the chart. If you click the chart, you can see different time frames are showing here. But I want 4-hour or 1 hour, 1 hour trend, because we are going to do the scalping or intraday, right? So 4-hour or 1 hour. So I'm going to take a 4-hour first. 4-hour. Okay, 4-hour, and I'm clicking OK. Now listen very carefully. This is 50 period moving average calculated based on 4-hour chart, not based on 5-minute chart, not based on 1 minute chart, not based on 1 hour chart, not based on daily chart. It's based on 4-hour chart. Now this is what I want. This is what I want. Okay, now you can change the time frames. That is your choice, but I'm using 4-hour here. Click OK. Now this moving average you are seeing, this is plotted in 5 minutes chart, but this is giving you the 4-hour trend. This is actually a 4-hour trend, not a 5 minutes trend. It's a 4-hour trend. So in 5-minute chart, you are watching 4-hour trend. Okay, now this is way cleaner than the original moving average. Okay, it's way cleaner. Now since I chosen the 15 minutes, chosen the 4-hour trend, I'm gonna switch the time frame to 15 minutes, because 4-hour 15 minutes somewhat reasonable, right? So now if you see, I'm in a 15-minute chart, but I'm seeing 4-hour trend. If I go 30 minutes, I'm in a 30 minutes chart, but that moving average is giving me 4-hour trend. I'm in a 1 minute chart, the moving average is giving me 4-hour trend, not 1 minute trend, 4-hour trend. Okay, if I go 1 hour, I'm in a 1 hour chart, but this is giving me the 4-hour trend. Okay, and if I go 4 hour, I'm in a 4 hour chart, and moving average also set to 4 hour. Okay, now if I go daily chart, I'm in a daily chart, but I'm getting the 4 hour trend here, right? So when you do this small change, the things are looks different right now. Okay, if I go a 5-minute chart, I'm getting the 4 hour trend here, but I don't need 4 hour trend for trading the 5-minute chart. So I can go to the settings. Maybe I can change the periods here. Maybe I can make it like a 10. So what do you mean by that? So here 4 into 10, so 40 hour trend, 40 hour, almost like 2 days, 2 days, little bit 8 hours below 2 days, right? 24 plus 24, 48, but it's giving 40 hour trend. Okay, which is very reasonable for trading for scalping. Okay, now just see here, it's a 10 period moving average which is plotted on 4 hour chart, not in the 5-minute chart. Now you can see this, the moving average is respects very beautifully. So market broke the moving average, came back, or came back here, came back here, rejections. So it's worked like a support and resistance or something like that, right? Broke down, and some whipsaws here. Whipsaws will be there. There is no way to you can you can remove the whipsaws. Failures do happen, right? So market touched here, fell down, right? But we are not going to use the support and resistance. We'll be using the swing point strategies, right? So something like that, 3 swing method or something like that. So 3 swing method. So 3 swings created, 3 swings broken, retested. So 3 swing created here, broken and retested here. So 3 swings created, 3 swings. This time is very big. So you can take a next one. So 3 swings created here. Scalping strategy. I hope everyone has watched that video. 5-minute scalping strategy. If you, the link is already there in the Telegram. Just go and check. You can watch that video. You'll get you'll get to know what I'm trying to say here. 3 swing. Okay, retest not happened yet. So 3 swing. So when you do like that, right? When you do like that, you will get some confidence, because sometimes when we trade with a lower time frame, you will not get the confidence, because moving average may give the false signal, right? So to avoid that, I suggest you to use this method, or you can play around with the settings a little bit. So you can, instead of 4 hour, you can choose 1 hour, and you can increase the moving average period to 20, something like that, 20 hours moving average, or like a 10 hour moving average, something like that, for intraday per se or scalping per se. Okay, you can change around the settings. Now you can see, so whipsaws will be there. You cannot, because news times, New York opening times, right? During the time you will be having a lot of high impact newses. In that time, nothing going to work, or everything going to be fail, right? So that will be there, but try to understand that traditionally, if you trade with any strategy, support and resistance strategy, supply and demand strategy, 50 percentage of what do you call the range market, or maybe like a WBW strategy, or whatever, right? So whatever you use, you confluence the moving average also with that. So you can try to do this, right? Okay, so this is a small hack. Now, can we do this in MetaTrader 5? Yes, you can do it. There are indicators available. I do have an indicator, which is I have downloaded from, I think, MetaTrader forum. It's a free indicator. I'll share it with you guys in the group. If you are using MetaTrader 5, you can use that indicator. You can do the same thing. You can choose the time frame, which time frame you moving average should calculate it. So that time frame you can specify. According to that, your trend will be changing. I mean, and the moving average will be changing. But the problem with indicators, especially with the MetaTrader indicator, which I'm going to share I'm going to share in the group. Sometimes it's kind of lagging. It's not a perfect indicator, it's a free indicator, somebody coded in the forum. So I'm not finding the perfect indicator for MetaTrader 5, but you can use it in a trading view, and that is enough. Okay. All right, so this is what I wanted to share with you guys, and you use this method in 5 minute scalping strategy, then that will going to give you the different perspective. Okay, now you can change this in a 1 minute chart also. Okay, but don't do that. 1 minute will be too small for what you call for taking the trades. So make it for 5 minutes or 15 minutes. I tried with, by the way, I tried with the 15 minutes last week. Okay, I think this is the one I tried. Yeah, this one I have tried, but this is not touched. This is not touched. Yeah, then I think I have taken this one, but I have not taken here. I have not taken here also. I wanted to take here, but it is like there is no confidence on that because news time. But it's given the very good the movement, but I don't have a confidence here. So I have not taken this. Actually, I have not taken this. But if you go with the 5 minutes, so after the news, you can able to see the swing levels here, and that swing levels worked here also. Okay, I'm not gonna go very detailed here, but you can see here there's a swing level, and that swing level is retested here. Okay, anyways, you can try this method of using the moving air. I don't think so. I hope I have not found any such hack video in the YouTube. So that's the reason I wanted to make, and I wanted to share with you. I have shared this with one of my private student. Also I think today I have shared this with our admin, Telegram admin. So you try this method. It might help you if you're struggling to apply the 5 minute scalping strategy with moving average. All right, so I just wanted to share with you guys. So that's the reason I made this video. We'll meet you guys in this week. The brainstorming session. In this brainstorming session, I wanted to give you the wonderful finding. I will not say it's my finding. It is already there, but I just did some research, and that is kind of working. I wanted to share that strategy with you guys. So let's see. We will see you in this week, and we will discuss, guys. All right. Thank you so much. We'll meet you guys in this week brainstorming session. All right. Bye. Have a great day.